It's another day más nutter. It's another day of Masa Mayhem, and today we are making our very first video about traveling. Say hi, Breelyn.
Hi. I'm playing with Barbies.
Oh, she's playing with her Barbies. So we're going to yeah, but first everyone in our family is going to a doctor appointment, and then since it's like 2 hours away, we're just gonna stay in a hotel for the night, and then we're gonna come back tomorrow. So yeah, that's mostly what we're gonna do. I'll show you what I packed. So obviously you saw my sunglasses. Okay, Mom. Really, you want to say something?
Yeah, I will show you where my bags are.
Where your bags are? Okay. Also, I don't know if I told you guys, but my drone is lost because of the wind.
Okay.
Lost for good. We're gonna get a new one soon, though.
I'm not dressed. Okay, hop out.
You're not dressed. Yeah, you are.
Get dressed. Huh.
Mom, where's my bags?
I think Daddy put it in the car. Go ask Daddy.
I packed it up already.
Hop out of here, please, because I gotta get dressed.
Okay, so let me show you guys my room. This is my room.
Is that your closet?
And I also have these naked Barbies because I don't know if they have clothes.
Oh. So
So
she has naked Barbies.
we will do that later.
So we've got
Adding shoes.
our ceiling fan. That's a nice thing. Her crib behind me.
And a camera.
Her cool cameras. Her little bench that was handmade. And
Cozy.
her camera
And look.
right there at the tip of my finger.
And look.
Behind my head.
And look. I
Right
have
there. Now I'll just show you guys up close. I don't know if you can really see it. Let me get on the bed and then do it. Oh geez, I hope this works out. I don't think I can climb up here.
Honey, get off my bed.
I have to show them your camera.
Careful.
That's her camera right there. I like to make funny faces in it. But let me drop you in the crib. Sorry guys. I had to drop you in the crib. Now, how do we get down? Ah! We're under attack.
Hi guys.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
No, not subscribe. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Good.
So, my dad, I take the shower,
You
and
don't need to really tell them that you took a shower.
yeah,
Everyone here took a shower.
I take the shower because my hair was crazy, and my dad brushed it. Okay, Dad just brushed it. So
I'm gonna tell him something.
I know
Okay.
So, Dad, this is going so annoying, okay?
Excuse me? You just said I'm annoying? Let me have this.
No.
Breelyn, I need to make a video. Please. Breelyn.
I'm almost done talking to them.
No! Breelyn. Okay, talk to them and then give it to me.
Hello, Hatch him at one time.
Hatch him one time. Okay, sorry for that. I just wanted to show you something. That was made by me.
Yeah.
Seriously,
guys,
that was made by me.
Guys, look at my baby picture.
My mom even liked it so much she framed it. You want to show them this picture? Picture of mommy and daddy.
And me.
And you. And then let me ask my dad if it's okay to show you something. Dad, can I show them my worlds on Minecraft?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So we got a new world for Minecraft, and I'll show you how I got it. This might be backwards again. Well, last time I tried to make a video and it looked backwards. Yeah, I think it was going to be backwards again, but you know, that's okay. Yeah, it's backwards. Looks like it's upside down. Okay, just stick with it. Next. Play. It's called Purple Parrot Party Place. A lot of P's. And it was found from the store. And look at this. Look at this. Go to the very bottom. So if we click inventory at the very bottom, it was free. Well, it said it was free at the bottom. And I was like, sweet. Like, that was the only free one that I could find.
Okay, guys. I have to tell them something.
I could get that one if I buy.
Hey, I have to tell them something.
This one's $1.99.
I have to tell them something.
Yeah? Just don't take the phone.
Okay. I turn it around. I can't see them.
No, just tell them.
Guys, so you know, I eat a lot of these old chickens.
Hey, now we're late.
Oh.
Okay, so let's go in. Let's go in. We gotta check it out. We're late.
Bye, guys. We're going on a vacation.
We're not going on vacation now. Okay, so this is pretty cool. We got our bed, our chest. Actually, I made the second chest and I put all that in there. We have our 2 armor stands. I put all that on there. Mailbox. This came there. It says, "Hi there. You have been invited to a party at the Purple Place or Palace." Anyway, you get the concept. It's just a tiny little house that you can stand. Elytra and fireworks.
Logan, get in the car.
Fly. Got a little balcony.
Logan, get in the car.
Jeez, Miss Bossy. Okay.
Bossy.
Anyway, I gotta go, but there's a crafting table there, and I'm sorry guys, but we'll try to make another one of these videos of the whole thing, because there's absolutely way more. So, anyway guys, if you like that video, please like, comment, subscribe, share, ring that damn... Wait.
Damn?
Ring that beaver dam? Okay. Ring that beaver dam.
What are you doing, Dad?
I might have said the D word, but I didn't want to. So. Okay. Anyway, guys, subscribe. Bye!